In today's video, we're going to be installing this aftermarket shift knob into this 3rd gen Tacoma. This video applies to all 2016 and newer model years with an automatic transmission. The first thing we're going to do is remove the shift knob from the boot collar cap. All you need to do is take 2 fingers and push down, and it should come free immediately, and then go ahead and twist off the shift knob. You can leave it like this, but for a cleaner look, I bought this shift boot collar cap. Just slide the shift boot collar cap on top and click it in. I bought this aftermarket shift knob from Hot Rod Shift Knob House of Speed. So the way they do it is there's a master thread, and then they send a reducer that fits your vehicle. These 3rd gen automatics are an 8x1.25. I'm now going to install this jam nut. This is to keep the shift knob secure, and it's also to make sure the thread doesn't go too far up into the shift knob and damage it. Then a washer, and the knob itself. It may not line up the way you want it, but you can adjust it with the jam nut below.